Hello, this is Frederic from Tourne-Sol Farm. I'm going to do an unboxing video of our basket from this week. We are June 25th, and so it is strawberry season, so I am a member of the fruit basket. So I have two portions. I have a double fruit basket today, so two portions of fruits. So our portion of fruit is 3 pints of strawberries. So I got 2 of those, nice quantity of fruits for my family. We get organic fruits from all kinds of suppliers in the area. Those are from Mirabel, delicious organic strawberries. Our fruit basket will continue next week with more strawberries, and then we take a little break and we'll have blueberries at the end of July. In August, we're gonna get some early apples, we're gonna get some grapes, some ground cherries, some pears, local pears, and more apples in the fall. The fruit basket, we get all kinds of suppliers from all across the province that do beautiful organic fruits and get them to you because they're hard to find. I also have the egg membership, so with this I get a dozen every week. Nice way to make sure I have beautiful organic eggs. And then it's the basket itself. So in the basket we typically have about 10 different vegetables. It changes with the seasons. This week we have beautiful greens like the spinach. I'm gonna inflate the bag and keep it in the fridge. I want to put these vegetables in the fridge as soon as possible to keep them nice and fresh. They've been harvested just yesterday or the day before. I have a bundle of kale this week. The kale I'm gonna massage and make nice salad with. You can also cook with the kale. A vegetable that folks don't know as much is kohlrabi here. It's in the broccoli family. You'll peel the kohlrabi and you'll get a ball of nice white flesh, and then chop it up in little slices. It's a delicious raw vegetable as an entree. It's crunchy, it's juicy. It's kind of like the inside of the broccoli stem, if you've ever eaten those broccoli stems. So check it out. It's actually the same species as the broccoli, but just was bred and selected for an enlarged stem rather than a big flower. What else have we got in here? We've got beautiful Boston lettuce this week. We have all types of lettuces, but I got a Boston one in this basket. Buttery, nice lettuce for my salads. I have some scallions here. We tend to try to put one item of the onion family, so scallions in the beginning, but soon we're gonna get garlic scapes or fresh garlic, and then we're gonna have beautiful fresh onions as well, sweet onions. It changes with the seasons. We have leeks at the end of the season. Here, this is a novelty. It's a vegetable that we're actually breeding in our seed breeding program. Dan has been dreaming about coming up with a purple Chinese cabbage, and so he took a Tokyo Bacana, which is a leafy Chinese cabbage, and crossed it with a purple tatsoi. And we're the result of this, and it's an ongoing selection process, is a rainbow Tokyo Bacana, which we have here. This vegetable people won't know so much. It's new, but you can chop up the leaves. It makes wonderful salads. You can make nice Caesar salads with this, but also you can eat the stems. They're crunchy and juicy, and you can cook with it either in the oven or just in a stir fry. You can also make delicious kimchi with this Chinese cabbage. What else have we got? We got wonderful little tomatoes here from Les Sœurs Royales. So sometimes we go and get produce from other producers to complement the basket. This is the case this week. We don't have greenhouse tomatoes at the farm. We grow our tomatoes in the field, in tunnels, and our tomatoes typically start in mid-July. So we're providing you with some early cherry tomatoes from another producer. We've got beautiful carrots, still coming from the greenhouse, crunchy, juicy, and sweet. So a staple for folks. And then what have we got here? We've got some beautiful bok choy. So you can cut them in quarters, barbecue cook them on the barbecue or in the pan. Delicious little Chinese vegetable that's crunchy and it adds a lot of texture to your meals. And the last item here is a bundle of radishes, fresh radishes from our fields. Really nice, sliced up in salads or on sandwiches. You can eat the leaves of those radishes. They're really beautiful. So those leaves, you rinse them up, and then you can chop them up and put them into an omelette, a quiche, a stir fry, and it adds they're packed full of vitamins and good flavor. And so this is what we have in the basket this week. It's about 10 different items, always fresh, always changing with the seasons. You can still sign up. We have delivery locations all around in the West Island and in Vaudreuil-Soulanges. Check it out. Ferme Tourne-Sol. That was Frederic. Thank you very much.